5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. By this appeal, the appellant lays a challenge to his conviction for offence punishable under Section 21 of NDPS Act 1985 within bracket, in short, the Act full stop. The appellant was charged for the offences along with Bikram Singh and Naveen Singh alias Kalia full stop. All the three accused were convicted by the impugned order full stop. Bikram Singh, who was granted interim bail during the trial, absented on 18th May 1998, and the non-bailable warrants issued against him were received back unexecuted, so he was declared a proclaimed offender on 11th July 1998 full stop. Thus, the appellant Mohammad Anveer and co-convict Naveen Singh were heard on the point of sentence, and both were awarded the sentence as mentioned above full stop stanza. Criminal Appeal number 43/1998 filed by Naveen Singh alias Kalia has already been disposed of by this court by judgment dated 10th November 2009, wherein he has been acquitted in view of the non-compliance of Section 50 of the Act full stop. Thus, the present appeal filed by Mohammad Anveer is being decided separately full stop. Briefly, the prosecution case is that prior on 13th July 2001, there was an information with the operation cell Gayatri Vihar that some persons in Saket are indulging in the business of narcotics and are supporting the terrorist full stop. Senja. Further information was developed in this regard, and on 13th July 1997 at about 3:30 p.m. the informer who informed that Bikram Singh, who indulged in the business of narcotics, will come from his house A24 Sector 9 Saket along with his associates to distribute smack full stop. This information was recorded in the Roznamcha wide DD entry 20 exhibit PW11/A full stop. This information was also passed on to ACP Amarnath Singh Chillar PW2, and the raiding party was formed comprising of Inspector Bablu Singh PW11, Inspector Ranveer Singh PW10 full stop, HC Anuj and HC Narendra, who left the operation cell wide departure entry DD 17 exhibit PW11/B at about 3:40 p.m. on 2 motorcycles and 4 two-wheeler scooter full stop. Stanza. They requested 4-5 public persons in Gayatri Vihar market to join the raiding party. However, no one agreed, and at about 4:30 p.m. they reached Subha Mehta School, where they again requested 4-5 people to join, but none agreed full stop. Nakabandi was laid in front of Bhanu Singh Market, Sector 8, Saket full stop. At about 5:30 p.m. on the pointing out of the informer, 3 persons, namely Bikram Singh, Naveen Singh and Mohammad Anveer, were stopped while coming on scooter DL12DH5432, which was being driven by Naveen Kumar full stop. All the three accused were surrounded and informed that they are police officials, and because they are in possession of smack, therefore if they want they can take search of police officials, but they denied full stop. Inspector Birender Singh was sent to make a telephone call to ACP Amarnath Singh Chillar PW2 and SHO PS Rohini, Inspector Gurdial Swami PW5, and they were called at the spot full stop. Thereafter, individual notices under Section 50 of the NDPS Act were served on all the three accused, and they were asked if they want to take the search of the police official, they can do so, but they declined full stop. They were further asked if they want to be searched before a gazetted officer / magistrate, to which they also declined full stop. ACP Amarnath Singh Chillar PW2 reached the spot at about 6 p.m. who was apprised of the facts and was also informed about the Section 50 notice being already served on them. Full stop. Stanza. Thereafter, Inspector Birender Singh took the search of the accused. Full stop. The appellant was searched and from his right hand a purple color polythene on which TLDP was written was recovered, which contained a black color polythene containing 1 kg of smack, out of which 10 grams was taken as sample and the remaining smack was sealed in parcel and the sample was given serial number G2. Full stop. In addition, search of accused Naveen and Bikram Singh was conducted and on the disclosure of Bikram Singh, his house in Sector 8, Saket was searched where material used for supply and preparing of smack, polythene bags, staples, machine, etc. were recovered. Full stop. As the present appeal relates only to Muhammad Anvir, this court can digress from the said facts. Full stop. After completion of the investigation, the charge sheet was filed. Full stop. The appellant was charged for offence punishable under Section 21 of the Act for being found in possession of 1 kg smack. Full stop. After recording the prosecution evidence and the statement of the accused, the learned special judge convicted the appellant as above. Full stop. Learned counsel for the appellant contends that there are material discrepancies in lodging of the FIR, sealing of the case property, the samples seized and sealed, depositing the same in Malkhana, sending them to CFSL and the report thereof. Full stop. Stanza. There are discrepancies in the statements of the witnesses, as some of the witnesses have stated that from the appellant a polythene of purple color was recovered, whereas the parcel number 2 was a white polythene. Full stop. The information received prior to 30th July 1993 was not reduced in writing, which is a mandatory requirement under Section 42 of the Act. Full stop. This information was also not sent to the senior officers as required. Full stop. As per the testimony of PW2 ACP Amarnath Singh Chillar, no public witness was asked to join the proceedings in his presence. Full stop. As per PW3 HC Ram Singh, who was posted at PS Rohini and was working as MHCM, the personal search of the accused was deposited with him at 11:40 p.m., whereas the case property had been deposited by the SHO Gurdial Swami PW5 at 10 p.m. Full stop. No copy of the Section 50 notice had been deposited along with the personal search memo of the appellant. Full stop. The name of the officer who deposited the case property has not been mentioned in the register number 19. Full stop. There is no mention of deposit of from CFSL in the Malkhana register. Full stop. Moreover, it is also not mentioned that along with the sample parcel form CFSL was sent. Full stop. The learned counsel next contended that no signatures on Malkhana register were obtained of PW1 HC Charan Singh, who took the articles to CFSL Chandigarh. Full stop. Also, PW4 ASI Jagdish Ram, who took the Rukka to the police station, has not stated about any independent person being requested to join the raiding party. Full stop. PW4 further states that Inspector Bablu Singh called the SHO PW5. Full stop. PW7 Inspector Birender Singh in his testimony has stated that the purple polythene which was taken out from this parcel did not pertain to parcel number 1, but it pertained to parcel number 2. Full stop. Thus, the polythenes have been interchanged. Full stop. Stanza. All the witnesses have deposed that one seal each of BS and GS was put on the samples. However, when the samples reached the CFSL, 3 seals were found, and thus tampering with the samples cannot be ruled out. Full stop. It is therefore contended that in view of the discrepancies in the statements of the witnesses and in view of the fact that Section 50 and 42 of the Act have not been complied with in true spirit, The appellant is entitled to be acquitted. Learned APP, on the other hand, contends that the prosecution has proved its case beyond reasonable doubt against the appellant. Full stop. PW11 in his testimony has deposed that the secret information so received was recorded in writing in Roznamcha Wide DD number 18. Full stop.